quickly I can do this. Yesterday I done 10 hours and slight bit. Uja Beko, longer runs. Uja Sako. Let's check what happens. This Beko is taller as well. You want money as an agency with the benefits for being agency, you need to come with them sandwiches. I've had, I got, look, one of these, homemade, in there, chicken, lettuce, all that, mayo. But I came out with 2 sandwiches. I had a breakfast one because I woke up running. I couldn't really eat breakfast. I had a breakfast one. I have a second one here, and I've bought bits and bobs. Just to give you a hint. Alright, that's just banana chocolate flakes. I have had 2 cream horns. That's the ones, and 2 sandwiches. You get, but guess what? Yesterday, I'm on the same run. Yesterday, I had to do 3 double-deckers. As it is, your agency, your contractor, the rate is good. You need to do what they're asking, innit? So with British trucking, you actually need to have your energy. You need, because as I remember in America, truckers don't really do, handballing and moving pallets. They don't, yeah. I'm parked not too far from the depot. What's happened is they've saved me one of the deckers. I've done 1 decker right now, and I've turned up on time. I've had my break, and then the thing with this lot, yeah, Royal Mail, there are set times to leave an address. So for instance, if they say you come you're going to leave here at 10, so if you come in at 8:30 to 9, 10 or whatever, you will not leave until the time, because they are waiting for a connection from another place. This is parcel. We're just moving around with parcels. So if they say you leave at 10, until 10 they don't know what they have. But if 10 or 12 o'clock reaches and they don't have nothing, then you can go. That's what's happened for me. So I came in full energy, sandwiches in the everything, snacks, yeah. And then boom. I'm not complaining, obviously. I'm happy. I've saved energy. And anyway, very glad. So very glad I've had to now having an extra break, because they don't have a whole load for me. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. But I was just saying that you need a lot of energy. This money seems, people think, oh, they get a lot of money, they do blah blah blah. If you don't have energy and you're not ready, you're a lazy person, do not come. Or you can come, but you're going to be struggling. You won't make the money that people are talking of. It's a lot to do with physical, which physique means eating, anyway. Eating loads, eating and sleeping. If you never sleep well, then also you'll never make it, because you can't concentrate. Anyway, today I've survived that other decker. I came all ready for it. And yeah, can't wait to get to their next address. I think now remember, it's a boom. That means it's going up and it's going to go down. I don't know whether yesterday that reached the top and now heading back downwards. We'll find out next week or the other week, depending on what calls are coming. You know what I mean? For me, I'm freelance. Whoever gives me the jobs, I go. Gives me the jobs, I'm gone. You get me? But the right start time. Oh, is it snowing? I think it is. I think it is snowing. Right, let me get out of here. I've had a touch. Actually, I've met catch up with you. Let me get out of here and go and get my last one. Alright, today I suppose it's going to be much easier than yesterday. And less energy, just 2 deckers, which aren't easy as well, because initially you basically just go collect, take it to one address. Now this place here, I'd come to pick the second one. They don't have it for me, so I'm going to the next address where I was supposed to take. At that place, I'm bringing back to this area, to this place here. So if they don't have as well, then boom, I go running home before they tell me to come back. So this job is 3 double deckers. Yeah, 3 double deckers. But there's a huge difference with supermarket ones because they're quick, they're smaller, lighter. Some of them can be as heavy, but fewer that are that heavy. So mainly lighter and quicker. Everything, they are waiting for you. There's no one dodging you around like the supermarkets. Gonna leave it at this. We talk soon. If you haven't subbed to this lovely channel, please do that, yeah, and give us support as well as thumbs up if you like this video and this kind of videos. All right, stay tuned and we'll speak with you pretty soon. Much love, stay safe, God bless. Look.